Hello guys, I'm going to be making a video of pressing the button game. I've seen many people making this video, so I thought I should give it a try. Let's start. Do not press. Okay. Press. Same as last. 12. I'm almost 13. Press twice. Always press when I see a rat. Okay. Oh, square. Right? Always press when you see a rat. Press more than 5 times. I like this. The sound is so satisfying. Press when cats are even. I'll do that. Double press. Press once per corner. Star has 10 corners, not 5. You should remember that. Cats are even. Press less than 2 times. Never press when I see a spider. Press if I'm a robot, I'm a human. Press if you like jump scares. For educational purposes, I'll do it. Nothing. Lol, I'll take 3 spins instead of 1. Press once per cat earlier. I can remember this. 2 cats only. 3 presses remaining. Okay. Would you kindly... I knew this would happen. It's just a cat. You don't have to be scared of a cat. 3 corners. The next statement is a lie. The next command is right instead of wrong. Do press. I will. Do not press when you see a spider. Press and hold. Wow, it's so satisfying. Press to pay respect. Okay. Stop fooling me. Fine. Press once per corner. Circle, infinite corners or 0. Do not press, always press when you see a rat. I see a hidden one. Press if I am a human, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This game is too easy. Press and hold longer than 2 seconds. Okay. Oh. 6. Oh, it was my sister. That's tricky. Press after half time. Don't press when you see a spider. Press more than once per corner. I don't know how many corners does it have. I think that should be enough, or I'll do more. Yes, I do. Press to ascend. Okay. Wait, I did great. I did great. Nice. What's happened next? What's gonna happen? Ooh. Ooh. The end? Nice one. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Sorry, my voice is sometimes crazy. I may say wrong things sometimes. So I'm telling you again to like and subscribe. If you want to, you can. I like you all, so I'll see you guys. Bye bye and peace.